Washer and dryer sets have become essential for modern homes, offering convenience, efficiency, and powerful cleaning in one complete solution. Today's best models go far beyond basic washing and drying, combining advanced fabric care, energy efficiency, and smart features to make laundry faster, easier, and more effective. Modern machines now include large capacities, steam cleaning, sensor drying, and AI-powered cycles that automatically adjust settings for optimal results. Leading brands like LG, Samsung, Whirlpool Corporation, and GE Appliances are pushing innovation with systems designed to deliver cleaner clothes while saving time, water, and energy. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 6 best washer and dryers and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Number 6. LG Studio WashTower Smart Laundry Center. The LG Studio WashTower is a premium, space-saving laundry solution that combines powerful performance, smart features, and modern design into one sleek unit. Designed as a single vertical system, it delivers a full-size 5.0 cubic foot washer and 7.4 cubic foot dryer in half the footprint, making it perfect for maximizing space while still handling everything from everyday loads to bulky items like king-size comforters. One of its biggest advantages is the center control LCD panel, positioned at the perfect height so you can easily access both washer and dryer settings without reaching overhead like traditional stacked units. The intuitive display provides helpful prompts, cycle descriptions, and real-time updates, making operation incredibly user-friendly. Powered by built-in AI intelligence, the WashTower automatically detects fabric type, load size, and soil level to select the optimal wash and dry settings, while smart pairing ensures the dryer matches the washer cycle seamlessly. Performance is equally impressive, with Turbo Wash 360 degrees delivering a complete clean in under 30 minutes, and Turbo Steam technology refreshing clothes and reducing wrinkles between washes. The allergen cycle uses steam to remove common household allergens, adding an extra layer of care. Convenience is taken further with the Easy Dispense system, automatically dispensing detergent and softener for up to 18 loads, while ThinQ Smart technology lets you control and monitor your laundry from your phone, even sending maintenance alerts. Built for durability and quiet operation, it features a direct drive motor with a 10-year warranty, never rust stainless steel tubs, and advanced anti-vibration systems. Stylish tempered glass doors and Energy Star efficiency complete the package, making the WashTower a smart, reliable, and beautifully designed upgrade for any modern home. Number 5. Samsung Stackable Smart Front Load Washer and Dryers. The Samsung 5.0 cubic feet extra large capacity front load washer is designed for speed, convenience, and modern living, making it an excellent choice for busy households that need performance without the hassle. With its generous 5.0 cubic foot capacity, you can handle larger loads in fewer cycles, saving both time and effort in your daily routine. One of its biggest highlights is Super Speed Wash, which can clean a full load in just 28 minutes without sacrificing cleaning performance. Perfect for those days when you're short on time but still need reliable results. It also features advanced steam technology, allowing you to remove tough stains gently and effectively without pre-treating, as steam penetrates deep into fabrics for a more thorough clean. Flexibility is another strong point, with support for both stacked and side-by-side installation, along with a closet depth design that fits easily into tighter spaces while still offering full capacity. As an Energy Star Most Efficient certified appliance, it balances powerful performance with energy efficiency, helping reduce utility costs over time. On the smart side, built-in Wi-Fi connectivity with the SmartThings app lets you start, stop, and monitor cycles remotely, while SmartCare provides quick troubleshooting directly from your phone. It also includes Vibration Reduction Technology Plus for quieter operation, a Swirl Plus drum to protect delicate fabrics, and Self-Clean Plus with antimicrobial treatment to keep the washer fresh. Finished with a premium tempered glass door and ADA-compliant options, this washer delivers a complete, user-friendly laundry experience. Number 4. Maytag top-load impeller washer and dryers. If you're looking for a washer that's built tough and designed to tackle real-world laundry challenges, the Maytag 4.3 cubic feet top-load washer delivers exactly that. With its solid construction and powerful cleaning performance, this machine is all about getting the job done right. No gimmicks, just results. At the core is the power impeller, which uses vigorous wash motions and a triple-action spray to keep clothes fully saturated with water and detergent, helping break down even stubborn stains. Need more water for heavy loads? The deep fill option lets you choose higher water levels to thoroughly soak and loosen tough messes, especially useful for bulky items. For those in a hurry, the quick wash cycle cleans small, lightly soiled loads in about 30 minutes, while the cold wash cycle delivers warm water cleaning performance with added energy efficiency. The washer also features auto sensing, which automatically adjusts water levels based on load size, ensuring optimal cleaning without waste. When it comes to rinsing, the extra rinse options help remove leftover detergent and debris, leaving clothes fresh and clean. Built for durability, it includes a rugged stainless steel wash basket and is backed by a 10-year limited parts warranty on the drive motor and basket, giving you long-term peace of mind. With 10 versatile cycles, including heavy-duty, bulky items, delicates, and sanitized with Oxy, this washer adapts to any laundry need. Add in its straightforward 3-knob control panel and American assembly, and you've got a machine that's reliable, powerful, and ready to handle years of laundry without breaking a sweat. Number 3, Electrolux Smartboost washer and dryer. After extensive testing, we determined that the Electrolux Smartboost front-load washer and stackable steam cycle electric dryer is the best front-loading washer and dryer set, impressing us with its ease of use and smart features. One of the standout aspects is the washer's auto-sensing capability, which detects how wet the laundry is and adjusts dry time accordingly, ensuring clothes come out perfectly dry with minimal guesswork. The set is extremely user-friendly. Presets are intuitive, and the included manual provides helpful explanations when needed. The front control panels display all settings clearly, while knobs allow selection of main settings and buttons adjust temperature, soil level, spin speed, and more. We especially loved the 15-minute fast wash cycle, ideal for households with kids or pets. While it doesn't have a companion app like the LG WM4000HWA, we didn't miss it during testing. The washer and dryer are louder than some competitors, but performance more than makes up for it. Clothes and linens consistently came out fresh, clean, and stain-free, even with heavy-duty loads like towels, bedding, or cloth diapers. The sanitize cycle kills 99% of bacteria, and the steam setting tackles tough stains effortlessly. The dryer's auto-sense was highly accurate, though occasionally thicker items like towels or cloth diapers required slightly more time. The washer also features oversuds protection, automatically adding extra rinses to eliminate detergent residue. We opted for the gray titanium finish, which looks sleek but can show scratches on the top surfaces, and removing delivery stickers required some effort. Despite minor quirks, the Electrolux Smartboost set is a powerful, reliable, and highly practical choice, delivering consistently excellent results while simplifying everyday laundry tasks for busy households. Number 2, GE Profile Stackable Smart Front Load Washer and Electric Dryer. This GE Smart Stackable Washer and Dryer set is packed with features that make laundry feel less like a chore and more like a streamlined, modern experience. On the washer side, you get 10 wash cycles, 5 temperature settings, and 5 spin speeds, while the dryer offers 12 different settings, giving you plenty of flexibility for everything from everyday clothes to delicate fabrics. During testing, the mixed load cycle quickly became a go-to because it strikes a perfect balance between cleaning power and fabric care. For bedding like cotton sheets, the cotton cycle worked beautifully, while the sanitize setting handled guest linens and towels with ease. One standout feature is the refresh cycle, which uses power steam to remove wrinkles and odors in just 10 minutes, perfect for last-minute outfit fixes. Even more impressive is the Washer Link feature, which connects the washer and dryer via Wi-Fi and automatically selects the matching drying cycle, eliminating guesswork entirely. There's also a one-step wash plus dry mode, essentially turning the unit into an all-in-one system, ideal for overnight loads when you don't want to transfer clothes manually. The Smart Dispense system adds even more convenience by storing detergent and automatically releasing the right amount for each load, a huge plus for ease of use. Maintenance is also well thought out, with a vent system that reduces moisture and helps prevent mold buildup. While it's not ultra-quiet, noise levels are on par with standard units, and you can customize or mute the end-of-cycle chime. With a 4.8 cubic foot washer, 7.8 cubic foot dryer, and smart time-saving features throughout, this set delivers convenience, flexibility, and modern performance in one compact, stackable design. Number 1. LG Smart Wi-Fi enabled front-load washer and dryer. The LG 4.5 cubic foot front-load washer paired with the LG 7.4 cubic foot electric dryer is our pick for the best washer and dryer set, delivering performance, convenience, and smart features that make laundry less of a chore. Our tester used this set weekly, handling 2 loads per week, including bedding and bath towels, and found it impressively fast and efficient. The washer is intuitive, with 13 settings ranging from normal, heavy-duty, speed wash, permanent press, delicates, and drain and spin, to more specialized presets like bedding, sanitary, sportswear, towels, allergy, tub clean, and bright whites. The dryer keeps pace with equally useful presets, including bedding, antibacterial, steam sanitary, steam fresh, and air dry, though we preferred using the timer in some cases when clothes were still slightly damp after a preset cycle. AI technology in the washer and dryer automatically senses the type of load and adjusts cycle timing for optimal results, helping complete laundry faster than a typical set. With a 4.5 cubic foot washer and 7.4 cubic foot dryer, capacity is generous, though taller units would make loading and unloading easier. The companion app adds convenience, sending alerts when cycles finish and helping you choose the right settings. Noise levels are minimal. Both units are quiet enough to run without disruption, and the dryer plays a short alert song when finished. While there's no lint trap indicator, cleanup is straightforward after each load. Measuring 27 by 39 by 30 inches, this Energy Star certified set combines modern technology, thoughtful design, and smart features, making it an ideal choice for busy households seeking reliability, speed, and versatility in one complete laundry solution.
If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.